What is a fire blanket? Made from fire-resistant materials, usually fiberglass or Kevlar, these blankets are designed to smother flames and cut off the oxygen supply to small fires. That's right, by just placing it over a fire, you could potentially stop it in its tracks. Fire blankets are ideal for small, contained fires, especially in kitchens. Think stovetop grease fires or electrical fires. Unlike water, which can cause oil fires to spread, a fire blanket is non-reactive, making it safer for these types of situations. Before we go step by step on how to use one, let's make sure you don't miss out on more practical safety tips. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It's a small click that can help you stay prepared. Now, let's get into the actual process of using a fire blanket. Step 1. Find your fire blanket. Most fire blankets are stored in bright red bags or containers. Grab it by the pull tabs and pull down to unfold. Step 2. Protect yourself. To avoid burns, hold the blanket in front of you, keeping it above the flames. Remember to cover your hands by folding the top edge over them. Step 3. Gently place the blanket over the flames, covering the entire area. Avoid throwing it, as that can spread the fire. Step 4. Leave the blanket in place for a few moments. It needs time to smother the fire completely, cutting off any remaining oxygen. Finally, once the fire is out, dispose of the blanket properly. Even if it seems unharmed, it's best not to reuse it, as some fire-resistant materials can weaken after exposure to flames. So, does a fire blanket really work? Absolutely, but it has its limitations. For small fires, fire blankets are incredibly effective. However, if a fire gets out of control, you should immediately call emergency services and evacuate the area. Fire blankets are affordable, easy to use, and could save lives in a pinch. Keep one in your kitchen or garage for peace of mind. And remember, knowing how to use it is just as important as having it on hand. Have you ever used a fire blanket, or do you have one in your home? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share this video. Stay safe, always.